Now that you've experienced the joy of discovering you're pregnant, you're on a journey into parenthood. One of the most amazing experiences on this journey is hearing your unborn baby's heartbeat. A fetal Doppler from Pink or Blue enables you to listen to your baby's heartbeat at any time, easing your mind and allowing you and your family to discover the joy of hearing your baby during the pregnancy. The Doppler can be used to hear the baby's heartbeat from between 10 and 12 weeks. To use the Fetal Doppler from Pink or Blue, simply apply a small amount of gel to the abdomen. Press the power button to turn the Doppler on. Slowly glide the probe over the abdomen. You may need to position the probe in different directions until you hear the baby's heartbeat. In early pregnancy, you may need to angle the probe towards the pelvic bone. The baby's heartbeat will be displayed on the LCD. The normal heart rate is between 120 and 160 beats per minute. You can order online now at www.pinkorblue.com.au or call 1300 787 609 for delivery Australia-wide.
After having a few problems earlier on in pregnancy, it was great to be able to bring home the Fetal Doppler just to give ourselves some peace of mind. It was so easy to use, and it was awesome to be able to have my husband and my children be able to hear the heartbeat whenever we wanted.